and all that. I should use my head to charge the phone or what? Hey, but put the phone on. It's Bambi. Okay. It's Bambi.
Welcome to our show!
The next day.
I'm hungry and I'm shopping at the same time. I think I'm going to get a hot salsa and then get chips so I can eat it for lunch. But I'm so happy I found this. Honestly, it's been a while I had chips with dip. So yeah.
Hi, Apple Pies. Welcome back to another video. Anyways, I was trying to do a maintenance week vlog, but to do my nails. But rather unfortunately, I couldn't do my hair. I just had to wash my hair because, like, lady that was supposed to braid, I wanted to do small cornrows, but she had so many people on her. Like, oh, I cannot take you back. Can you come on Monday? And I'd rather not do that because I had so much on me for work. So that didn't work out, but I still got some things done, and I had a day trip to Cape Coast. I got perfume gifts again. See, at this point, I don't even think it's my perfume collection, but this one is Ralph Lauren, and this is Karl Lagerfeld. Between this and this, I said I love pink, so okay, perfume in a pink bottle. It makes sense. But guys, this one smells like very fresh, very, very fresh. And I didn't even know Karl Lagerfeld had a perfume line. And this one smells. I've taken it out of the. This is the box for the Ralph Lauren. And the box for this one, I already tossed it because I was like, it's not any special. And I really don't like hoarding. I'm sorry. I don't want to have that attitude of hoarding empty perfume bottles or containers. Like, I don't want that to be anything I adore. So, whatever that comes with, that is a package, that's packaging. I will gladly toss it into the bin because, like, I'm not gonna do that. It's a habit you start doing, and by the time you realize you've had so much trash in your room and you cannot get rid of it. So if I'm done with a perfume, regardless of how cute the bottle is, I'm throwing it. Period. But this one smells so fresh. It smells really, really, really fresh. And then I have this one. This is a Eau de Toilette. So it really doesn't stay for that long. But this one smells very sweet, rosy, fresh fruits vibe, which is really cute. So I got this, and gradually my perfume collection is building. Even though that's not where my energy is, it's just build. Address the elephant in the room. You don't know the elephants, but me, I know the elephants because I'm eager to show you. I have been using this phone. This is the 13 Pro Max since 2019, and I've never changed it. I don't even know how to use two phones at a time. There was a problem with the 13 line. Fortunately for me, I have never had issues with this phone, and the picture quality on this phone is the best. This one and then the 7 Plus, the red one. Those are two iPhones that I really love, and I honestly love this phone because I got the time to use it as long as I could. So I've gotten my money's worth out of this phone. But rather unfortunate, the space is not helping me. The battery size is really not helping me. So it's time for me to change this phone. And for years of using it, 2019, 2020, 2021. 22. I've used this phone for 7 years. Never had I had any problems with this phone. To like sell it off at the shop, and the lady was like, "Oh, the 13 had problems." I knew. My friend has a 13 and he had problems with it, and I know that there are problems associated with this 13 line, but I never had any issue with this particular phone. But you remember in my last vlog, I was saying I wanted a pink. Personally, I didn't even know that the pink iPhone is the 16 Plus. I thought it was the 16 Pro. So I went to the shop asking for 16 Pro pink in 256. It's nothing like that. We don't have it. One thing about Ghanaians, Kumasi people, they'll tell you we don't have it. But they have what you want, but since you came there with something you wanted, they'll just tell you they don't have it. I don't even know if it's because they are lazy or what. But anyways, drum roll please. Oh my god. So I wanted to break this home, break it on camera. So I didn't even open it at work. So this is our first time seeing it together. I just had the feeling that what if I open it and it's a yam? But So I'm going to set it up with my device later on, but we finally switched. Okay, we finally switched. My phone is already pairing to the new phone. That's why I like Apple products, because like if you have a farm of them, everything works so well, and you don't really need to like transfer. I've tried my very best to use an Android, but I just don't like Androids. And I'm planning on going live, like TikTok live, engaging more with you guys. So why not use another iPhone? But I couldn't find a case for the phone, so I got a glass protector, which I'm going to do tomorrow. To be very honest with you, it's 9. I don't have the energy to be pairing phones and doing all that. I honestly wanted to do this tomorrow morning, but I have work. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to do this tomorrow, but I'm so happy. It comes with this cable, your charging cable, and then the pin. And I don't even understand why Apple doesn't add the charger head and all that. I should use my head to charge the phone or what? I beg shift. The time I went to Melcom to shop, I got this Dorito salsa, hot salsa. I like spice. Like I'm a spice girl, and I got these chips, and I have been nibbling. Like if I mean nibbling, I'm trying my very best not to go back to my habit of eating a lot at night or in between meals. So I have been nibbling on this, and it's so cute. Like this is so much feeling when you're not really sitting down to finish the salsa. Because I had it in the fridge, so the label is coming off. But potato chips, all the chips, tortilla chips are the ones I love the most. So you see, I just nibble on, and I'm gonna eat this for the night. I've had my dinner. I had kinky. I got this on Saturday. Was it Saturday? Yes, I got it on. It's not. I think I got it on Saturday or Sunday, one of those days. And today is Wednesday, and I'm still eating it. Not how I am particular about my diet now, but this is so nice. I'm not gonna finish this tonight. I will still keep some. And whenever I open the fridge, I don't want to gravitate towards sweet, so I don't even put sweets in the fridge anymore. And it has like little chunks of tomatoes and onions, so you are biting into something. I really love this. If you haven't tried it, you can give it a try, make it your snack. But it's currently 9 something. I'm going to fix the Wi-Fi and finish with the phone setup, and we'll test the camera and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I really appreciate it. It's Bambi. Okay, it's Bambi. So yeah, good night. Catch you guys.